Welcome to this video, where we conduct an energy efficiency analysis, breaking down the comprehensive electrical cost and performance of tankless versus traditional water heaters. We begin with a technology overview, exploring the core engineering differences between storage-based and on-demand water heating systems. The traditional storage tank consumes energy 24/7. It maintains a large water reserve at a set temperature, leading to constant heating cycles to combat standby loss and significant energy waste during idle hours. The tankless revolution brings true on-demand heating. These compact units heat water only when a faucet is opened, eliminating standby heat loss and offering an endless supply of hot water. Standby loss is a major source of energy waste. Traditional tanks consume energy throughout a 24-hour cycle, even with zero hot water usage, which can account for 10% to 25% of your water heating bill. The maximum efficiency potential varies by usage. Homes with low usage can see 24% to 34% energy savings, while high usage sees 8% to 14%. Savings increase when installing units at each hot water outlet. Looking at the annual electrical cost, traditional tanks average $580 per year. Standard tankless units drop to $395, and high-efficiency tankless units cost only $310 per year. The cost of ownership differs significantly. Traditional units are cheaper initially, but last 8 to 12 years. Tankless units cost more upfront, but boast an expected lifespan of over 20 years. A major challenge is the electrical infrastructure. Tankless heaters require a massive amount of power instantly, often necessitating an electrical panel upgrade, like moving from a 100 amp to a 200 amp service. Which one is right for you? Tankless units are best for small households, while large families may need multiple tankless units or a traditional tank. Traditional tanks win on initial cost, but tankless units provide long-term operational savings. In the investment lifecycle, tankless units have higher upfront costs. Operational savings begin to close the gap by year 7. By year 12, when a traditional tank often needs replacement, the tankless unit is still running, achieving double the life cycle value by year 20. In conclusion, tankless units are the clear winners for efficiency and longevity. However, the electrical cost breakdown must include the high initial entry cost of grid capacity upgrades.